As a Japanese, I've never seen this.
Sushi fusion.
Yeah. Are you what are you watching? So too. Nice. Driving a bus driver.
Yeah, it has similar driving wheel. So now we are here, direction to Nijmegen. Yeah, and I'm wearing two. And I still have makeup from previous night.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, look at my eyes. If I were a big girl, I would be nice.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh. I didn't see. I have to watch the road, you know?
Yeah, I know.
So, first time driving the camper, actually second time. Yesterday was the first time. And I must say it's much better to drive at the day than at the night.
Yes.
I know what I want for birthday. Camper.
Which is more than 10,000 euro.
Yes, the cheapest one, huh?
The cheapest one.
Yes.
This is only for the shit.
For the
Shit, yeah.
like that, like this. We have the power.
We have the power.
Well, it was in my childhood days, oh Lord, many long years ago. Now with the Spirit, now of my Savior, I was filled, Lord, filled, oh, in that old fashioned meeting, oh Lord, our memories, they linger still in that little, oh, that wooden church house out on a hill. You know, every Sunday morning, help me have the family prayer. Then to that old country wagon, all would feel, oh Lord, all would feel. Well, we go out on a journey, moving over rocks, God knows and real. That little, oh, that wooden church house out on a hill.
Chicken nuggets, by the way, we also need to eat them.
Well,
I also have fries and also chicken wings.
Or tomorrow morning.
old-fashioned preacher,
Yeah.
oh Lord, give us
Yeah, of course, you're always your magnet.
then every heart breaks now with the Holy Ghost.
autumn. Love this.
No. Okay, I'll just take.
Good?
Good. Pumpkin Halloween cake. Wow, super sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This will be traditional Romanian food, sarmale.
Wow, that's very
This is also good, actually. This is very easy for Slovakian. It's actually from East Slovakia. It's called jatki. It's like and it's also very sweet.
Yeah, not so much
No.
heavy.
It, actually, the one from Lidl, which is like 8%. You know, Felix, which one? The steampunk. It's with caramel flavor. It's really sweet.
We have Japanese beer.
Cheers. No, I have 2 spoons. Cool.
Oh. That's garbage.
Much.
Okay, that's like I hoped it would, but okay. Doesn't look that amazing, but I'm not good at this.
You cannot
Make it flexible.
I will clean.
Yeah, soft.
Yeah, but I also cook it. I think the
Yeah,
grape
yeah.
leaves.
After
Yeah.
that, yes.
But I was like, cabbage is okay because you know cabbage is like what we eating normal. But grape leaves, I never heard that you even can eat the grape leaf.
Yeah, but the Greece people also make like grape leaves with rice and oil, I think. But it's
Yeah,
really amazing.
yeah, because I mean, I think it's the Balkan food somehow. So Bulgaria, Greece, Romania is also Balkan.
I don't
It's
think
Balkan.
so, or?
Yeah, it is. I think
Wow, cool.
Croatia and Moldavia and
So,
Hungary. I don't think so. Hungary is
No, that's I think more like
Europe.
Wow.
Okay. Can I?
yeah.
Little bit.
So that's Romanian sushi we made,
Yeah.
or he made actually.
Okay.
What's with this? Is this like
Yeah, these are the heart. You know,
okay.
it's not good.
Okay, then we throw away, I guess.
Then we need coal. We need to light it up. Do somebody have a lighter here?
Kitchen shower or what?
I don't know.
Nice. Yes. Okay.
Wow, it's all around now. Perfect. You know, you make it even more strong because you suck it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Ah, there are some signs. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Pretty
Yeah,
cool.
yeah, you did it.
Impressive.
Wow.
Good. When we are inside, it's fine.
Yes.
If we are gonna be outside, then like, wow. Imagine now in the tent.
Here's my second one actually.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I'm seeing northern light.
Wow, cool.
Oh.
I think between you can do yourself. Okay, looks cool.
Nice.
Okay, thanks.
Now you are ready.
Oh my goodness.
Red eye contact.
You look like possessed by the devil. I also want to take
Fun.
Happy Halloween.
Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Sorry to make you scary, but yes, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Yeah, sorry. It's nothing. It's just
Okay.
to say happy Halloween. Sorry.
Bye. Have a nice evening.
Have a nice evening. Thank you. Yeah. Hey.
Oh, you also have costumes. Oh. Nice.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, guys.
Goodness. Nice.
That looks scary.
Yeah. Like every time.
Where you from?
Germany, Japan.
Yeah.
Deutschland.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
Besser Deutsch reden dann.
Yeah. So you're Dutch, right?
We're all Dutch.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Deutsch, aber Dutch.
Dutch.
Okay, cool. Okay, then we won't disturb you longer.
Yeah.
Have a nice evening and
Have a nice-
Halloween. Bye.
Enjoy party. Bye bye.
Happy Halloween.
Hello.
We just wanted to say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Okay.
Happy Halloween.
Nice
Yeah.
evening.
Yeah. Sorry to disturb you.
Sorry to
Because I
disturb-
saw this is Happy Halloween, so
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
okay. And you were
We are from the camping site.
on the camping site.
I
Yeah.
remember you because you were in the
Yeah.
in the car when I was walking
Ah, yeah. Thank you.
away.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Oh,
So nice to us.
This is candy bars, and this is.
Oh, you tried this.
You have to try
This
this.
is okay. We have this tradition. We do not Santa Claus. We do
Oh, okay.
we do something special on the 5th of December, and this is Santa Claus from Spain gives presents to kids.
nice.
We eat
Oh.
this.
Yeah,
You
cool.
have to eat this. It's for
Yeah, cool.
favorite.
Thanks. I think, yeah.
It's funny you're here. You're from Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Oh, very nice.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Have a nice evening.
Have a nice
Bye.
evening. Thank you. Very
Bye.
nice.
Wow, success. Okay,
Success.
now we can go back.
No, Holland is in it.
Nice.
Also my whiskey.
Yeah, yeah.
Coming here.
Wow.
And this is, you have ever had this? This is,
Yeah.
this is, you know this? Cheese?
Yes.
So and every time we're there.
I won't forget.
Sorry.
What is this sound?
It's the water.